Let's create an agent that scrapes the web and builds an email draft. First, go to Tools. Then select Workflow. For this tutorial, we'll use the following prompt. Build an agent that searches for the latest AI industry news, curates the 5 most important developments, and sends them to my email as a draft. Click the Send button and wait a moment while the workflow is generated. Once it's done, you'll see a graph displaying the workflow step by step. On the right-hand column, you'll find some settings for the workflow. Since this one requires Gmail credentials, click the Credentials dropdown and select Create. Enter a credential name. This can be anything that helps you recognize it later. Then click the Create button. You'll be redirected to a Google authorization page. Follow the steps to grant permissions for reading emails, composing drafts, and sending emails. If you need more details, click the Learn More button on the page. Once you're ready, click Continue to accept the permissions, and you'll be redirected back to XactAgent. After everything is set up, click the Save Workflow button in the top right corner. Now, assign the workflow to an agent. Click the dropdown, select an existing agent, or create a new one. Next, go to the Status section and activate the workflow by clicking Start Agent. The workflow is now live. If you visit the agent's page, you'll see the activity log. After a short wait, the log will show that the workflow has executed successfully, along with details of what it did. Now let's check the email. Go to your Drafts folder, and you should see the new draft created by the agent. If you ever want to stop the workflow, just click the 3 dots next to the Status section and select Stop Agent. And that's it. You now have an automated agent that gathers AI news, curates key updates, and prepares an email draft, all without lifting a finger.